Good morning, my dear students. Unit 1 Probability and Statistics, Lecture 25. In previous lecture 24, the last problem number 12, y is equal to a into b power x for curve problem. So here taking logarithms on both sides with base e, we get a value very small value, b value is very big value. That's why it is better to take logarithms with base 10. In exponential curve, you take logarithms with base e. In power curve, better to take logarithms with base 10. Taking logarithms with base 10 on both sides. Log y base 10 is equal to log a into b power x base 10, log a base 10 plus log b power x base 10. So log y base 10 is equal to log a base 10. You take x this side, log b base 10. So this is capital Y, this is capital A, this is capital B into x. Here what is capital Y? Log y base 10. Capital Y is log y base 10. Capital A is log A base 10. Capital B is log B base 10. Corresponding normal equations are sigma capital Y is equal to NA plus B sigma x multiplying by small x into capital Y, A sigma x plus capital B sigma x squared. Table x, y, capital Y, log y base 10, x square, x into capital Y. X into capital Y. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y values 8.3. So log y base 10. Press LOG 8.3. 8.3 is equal to 0.9191. 0.9191. Log LOG base 10 means LOG 15.4. 15.4 is equal to 1.1875. 1.1875. So capital Y values, press LOG and find the type the Y value. We get capital Y values like this, x square values, small x into capital Y values. Now n is equal to 5, sigma x, sum of the values 20, sigma capital Y 7.5455, sigma small x square 90, sigma x into capital Y, that is 33.1819. Substituting these values in the above normal equations, we get these. So we have to solve these equations. Look here, first to press mode, equation press 1, unknowns press 2, A1 is a coefficient in first equation, a coefficient 5 is equal to B1 is in first equation b coefficient 20 is equal to C1 first equation constant term, left side constant term 7.5455 is equal to A2 means in second equation a coefficient 20 is equal to B2 means in second equation b coefficient 90 is equal to C2 means constant term, left side constant term 33.1819 plus is equal to we get x value means here a value 0.3091. So a value 0.3091. Next b value 0.2999. 0.2999. b value 0.2999. Solving. Here, wait 1 minute. Here this is capital A. So capital A, capital B. Capital A 0.3091, capital B 0.2999. So what is log base A? Log A base 10 is equal to capital A. From this, small a is equal to 10 to the power of A. 10 to the power of 0.3091. Log small b base 10 is equal to capital B, implies small b is equal to 10 to the power of capital B. 10 to the power of 0.2999 is equal to, take this, ten to the power of 0.3091 is equal to how much? 2.0375. 2.0375. 10 to the power of 0.2999 is equal to how much? 1.9948. 9948. Substituting small a, small b values in given curve. Y is equal to a 2.0375, b 1.994 whole power x. Problem 13. Problem 13, fit a curve of the form y is equal to a e power bx, exponential curve type, taking logarithms on both sides, base e. Fit a curve of the curve y is equal to a e power a into b power x, above type, taking logarithms with base 10 on both sides. ఆ మోడల్ కూడా ఈ మోడల్గా ఇచ్చాను. ఈ రెండు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ హోంవర్క్ చేసుకోండి, ఇదే పేజ్లో చేయండి. Problem 15. Find the parabola of the form y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c passing through the points -1, 2, 0, 1 and 1, 4. First we write the table of x comma y values as x y. First values are x values, second values are y values. Given parabola y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, say 1. Corresponding normal equations are sigma y is equal to a sigma x square plus b sigma x plus n c. Sigma xy is equal to a sigma x cube plus b sigma x square plus c sigma x. Sigma x square y is equal to a sigma x power 4 plus b sigma x cube plus c sigma x square. Table x, y, x square, x cube, x power 4, x, y, x square y. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, xy, minus 2, 0, 4, x square y, 2, 0, 4. N is equal to 3, sigma x is equal to 0, sigma y is equal to 7, sigma x square 2, sigma x cube 0, sigma x power 4 2, sigma xy 2, sigma x square y 6. Substituting these values in above normal equations, sigma y 7 is equal to sigma x square 2 a sigma x 0 nc 3c. Next, sigma xy 2 is equal to sigma x cube, that is 0, 0, sigma x square 2, 2b plus sigma x 0, 0. Next, sigma x square y, that is 6. 6 is equal to sigma x power 4 2 2a, sigma x cube 0, not sigma x square, that is 2 2c. From this, b value 1. From this, a plus c is equal to 3, a is equal to 3 minus c. Substitute here, 2a plus 3c is equal to 7. 2 into 3 minus c plus 3c is equal to 7. 6 minus 2c plus 3c plus c is equal to 7. C is equal to 7 minus 6, 1. So, a value 3 minus 1 from this 2. Therefore, required parabola y is equal to, substitute here, a 2 2x square plus x plus 1. Fitting of the curve y is equal to ax plus bx square. So we don't know normal equation for this. We have to find normal equations. How many constants are there? Two constants are there, a comma b. So you write first, consider your s is equal to sigma y minus ax plus bx square. Y minus ax minus bx square whole square. Sigma e square model. S is actual formula sigma e square. Here e means difference between these y minus ax plus bx square. So this is the formula. S is equal to sigma e square. So e is equal to y minus difference of these two, y minus ax plus bx square. So s is equal to, you write like this, by the principle of least squares, by the principle of least squares, the value of s is minimum. The value of s is minimum if dou s by dou a is equal to 0, dou s by dou b is equal to 0. Two constants here. So dou s by dou a is equal to 0 implies dou s by dou a sigma x square model 2 into y minus ax plus bx square into derivative of this with respect to a. So we get minus x. With respect to a, bx square constant derivative 0, need not write. ఇదేమో ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మోడల్లో ఉంది, 2x వేసాను. ఇంటర్నల్గా కనుక్కోవాలంటే ఏదో చేసినప్పుడు మిగతా కాన్స్టెంట్లే కాబట్టి ఏఎక్స్ డెరివేటివ్ మాత్రం మైనస్ ఎక్స్ వస్తుంది. మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి మైనస్ ఎక్స్ వస్తుంది. ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0 ఇంప్లాయిస్ ఇటు అటు వెళ్ళిపోతుందండి. సిగ్మా మైనస్ ఎక్స్ వై మైనస్ ప్లస్ ఇలా వేద్దాం. సిగ్మా 2 అటు వెళ్ళిపోయింది, మైనస్ ఎక్స్ వై ప్లస్ ఏఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బిఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0/2 0. ఓకే, నౌ మైనస్ సిగ్మా ఎక్స్ వై ప్లస్ ఏ సిగ్మా ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బి సిగ్మా ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0. You take minus sigma xy that side, we get sigma xy is equal to a sigma x square plus b sigma x cube. This is first normal equation. Now dou s by dou b is equal to 0. Second condition implies sigma x square model derivative, x square model derivative 2 into y minus ax plus bx square into, right, derivative with respect to b. y కాన్స్టెంట్, ax కాన్స్టెంట్. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది కూడా మైనస్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ b డెరివేటివ్ bతో 1 అవుతుంది. 1 into x స్క్వేర్ అవుతుందండి. ఇది కూడా 0. సిగ్మా మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ వై మైనస్ ప్లస్ ఏఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ బిఎక్స్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 4 అటు ఇటు వచ్చింది. 0/2 0. సిగ్మా మైనస్ సిగ్మా ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ వై ప్లస్ ఏ సిగ్మా x cube plus b sigma x power of 4 is equal to 0. ఈ మైనస్ అది తీసుకెళ్ళండి. సిగ్మా ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ వై ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ సిగ్మా ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ బి సిగ్మా ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 4. దిస్ ఈజ్ సెకండ్ నార్మల్ ఈక్వేషన్. సో whenever y is equal to ax plus bx square is a given curve y is equal to ax plus bx square, corresponding normal equations are sigma xy is equal to కాన్స్టెంట్ లేదు, ఎక్స్ వేరియబుల్ ఉందని ఎక్స్తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. ఏ సిగ్మా ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బి సిగ్మా ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం. సిగ్మా ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ వై ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ సిగ్మా ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ బి సిగ్మా ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 4. Fitting of the curve y is equal to ax plus b by x. Let e is equal to difference of these two, e square whole square. S is equal to sigma e square. By the principle of least square, the value of s is minimum if dou s by dou a is equal to 0, dou s by dou b is equal to 0. So first you consider dou s by dou a is equal to 0. Sigma x square derivative 2x 2 into y minus ax plus b by x into with respect to a we get minus x here is equal to 0, implies sigma minus xy plus ax square plus xx cancel b is equal to 0 by 2 0. Sigma minus sigma xy plus a sigma x square plus sigma b means sigma b is equal to 0, implies minus sigma xy plus a sigma x square b plus b plus b plus n times, so nb is equal to 0. From this we get first normal equation sigma xy is equal to a sigma x square plus nb. Again second condition, dou s by dou b is equal to 0, implies sigma 2 into y minus ax plus b by x into 1 by x. b derivative 1 with respect to y derivative 0, ax derivative 0, minus is there, so minus 1 by x is equal to 0, minus sigma minus y by x minus plus a xx cancel plus b by x square is equal to 0 by 2 0. Minus sigma y by x plus sigma a plus sigma b by x square is equal to 0. This implies you take this one that side, sigma y by x is equal to sigma a means na plus b sigma 1 by x square is equal to 0. This is the second normal equation. This is first normal equation. So fitting the curve y is equal to a plus bx square, e is equal to difference s is equal to sigma e square. By the principle of least square, the value of s is minimum if dou s by dou a is equal to 0, dou s by dou b is equal to 0, dou s by dou a is equal to 0, implies, so same as the above model, do this.